25 insane new AI tools. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're counting down the top 25 insane new AI tools that can help you start earning $5,000 per month with AI. Let's get started. Number 25, Tiply, the best all-in-one writing platform. Tiply is an incredible tool that combines various writing functionalities into a single platform. From grammar and spell checking to generating creative content, Tiply has got you covered. Number 24, Caber. Transform your ideas into captivating visuals. Caber allows you to start with just a few words or an uploaded image and magically transforms them into stunning visual designs. Get ready to impress your audience with eye-catching graphics. Number 23, Lunacy, the free AI-powered design tool on your computer. Lunacy is a powerful design tool equipped with AI capabilities. Whether you're editing images, creating illustrations, or designing user interfaces, Lunacy provides a seamless experience for all your design needs. Number 22, Mage. Convert your data into actionable predictions. Mage enables users to swiftly build, train, and implement predictive models using the power of AI. With Mage, you can turn your data into valuable insights and make informed decisions. Number 21, Movie Deep Search. Discover long-tail movies that perfectly fit your search intention. Movie Deep Search utilizes an AI-based recommendation system to help you find hidden gems in the vast world of movies. Say goodbye to endless scrolling and let AI find the perfect movie for you. Number 20, Seodity, the all-in-one SEO tool. Seodity is a comprehensive SEO tool that offers domain analysis, AI content creation, and easy teamwork features. Boost your website's visibility and improve your search engine rankings with Seodity. Number 19, Cast Magic. Supercharge your long-form audio content. Cast Magic takes your long-form audio and enhances it with AI-powered features. Generate summaries, create chapter timestamps, and discover the best quotes from your podcast in a matter of seconds. Number 18, Magical, the GPT-powered calendar that takes meeting notes for you. Magical is a game-changer for busy professionals. With its AI capabilities, Magical automatically takes meeting notes, saving you valuable time and allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Number 17, Monic, AI-powered platform for academic learners. Monic is the ultimate companion for students and academic learners. Say goodbye to using ChatGPT for studying purposes and embrace Monic's AI-powered features to enhance your learning experience. Number 16, TLDV, AI meeting summarizer and note taker. TLDV is here to revolutionize your meeting experience. This AI-powered tool takes care of note-taking, transcribing, translating, and even automating workflows, allowing you to focus on productive discussions. Number 15, Flair. Make branding easy with AI. Flair simplifies the branding process with its AI-driven drag-and-drop functionality. Create beautiful branded content without the need for extensive design skills or complicated software. Number 14, Microsoft Designer, your go-to tool for content creation. Microsoft Designer is a game-changing competitor to Canva. Unleash your creativity and create stunning content with this powerful AI-driven design tool.